White lining. White lining means the act of marking by the excavator the route or boundary of the proposed excavation site with white paint, white stakes, or white flags. In Kansas, white lining has proven to be beneficial to all stakeholders involved in the excavation project. White lining clearly defines the exact location of the proposed excavation, which assists the excavator in determining the overall size and extent of the worksite. This also assists the facility locator to pinpoint the excavation site, more accurately locate and mark underground facilities. When white lining the proposed excavation area, the excavator may use the following guidelines outlined in the CGA Industry Best Practices Manual. Mark the area using a continuous line, dots, or dashes outlining the proposed excavation project. The excavator should limit the size of each dash to approximately 6 to 12 inches long and 1 inch wide, with interval spacing of between 4 feet and up to 50 feet. When an excavation site is contained within a 50-foot maximum radius or less, it can be marked with a single stake positioned at the center of the proposed excavation. If the excavator chooses to white line the proposed excavation area using the single stake marking method, they should do the following as a best practice. Paint the stake white and attach a written notice, or write in black letters the company's name, abbreviation or initials, and the radius of the worksite. It's also recommended that the excavator should inform Kansas 811 that the site was marked using this method.